In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view hidden posts on Reddit. By the end, you'll know exactly where Reddit keeps the content you've hidden and how to review it quickly, so you can keep your feed tidy and still revisit things when you need to. First, open your preferred web browser and head to reddit.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, since your hidden content is tied to your profile. If you use enhanced security like two-factor authentication, complete that as usual. Once you're logged in, you're ready to navigate to your profile, where Reddit keeps all of your personal activity organized. Look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile avatar. This is the small circular icon that opens a menu with account options. From that menu, choose Profile. This takes you to your Profile Hub, where you'll see your display name at the top and several tabs that organize everything you've done on Reddit. On the profile page, find the row of tabs just beneath your name. You'll typically see options like Overview, Posts, and Comments. Among these, there's a tab labeled Hidden. Click Hidden. If you don't see it immediately, give the page a moment to load, or look for a small arrow to reveal additional tabs, depending on your screen size. Once you select the Hidden tab, Reddit will display a dedicated list of everything you've chosen to hide, all in one place. Now you can browse your hidden items. This list includes both posts and comments you've hidden across different communities, and it's presented in a familiar Reddit lane layout. Use your normal scrolling to move through the list, and click any title to open the full post in a new page if you want more context. For hidden comments, you'll see the original thread they came from, which can help you remember why you hid them in the first place. If your list looks empty, that simply means you haven't hidden anything yet. Try hiding a post from your feed and return here to see it appear. A few helpful notes as you browse. Hidden is a private space, so only you can see what's in this list. It's perfect for keeping your home feed clean without losing track of content you might want to check again later. If you're on a smaller screen, zooming out slightly can make the tab bar easier to spot. And if you switch between the website and the mobile app, your hidden content stays synced to your account. That's it. Now you know exactly how to view your hidden posts on Reddit and confidently navigate your profile to review them anytime.